So hello guys, Howtobee here. Welcome back to another video, and today we'll talk about YouTube Shorts. Basically, if you don't know, the YouTube Shorts are getting an updates. The updates wasn't there before. If you are just wanna share the shorts, share the YouTube Shorts on other website, you may receive an watermark. Like this watermark wasn't there for couple of from the beginning. So YouTube finally just putting out it the watermark must be a mandatory thing for them. So the thing is, why they are putting the watermark, why actually they're doing this? Why actually they're adding the watermark? We can say if you are a normal user, basically the watermark represents the company itself. So people might know that this video is actually from the YouTube, so that they can check this out from YouTube also. So also the other contents that are available for if whatever it is, short or other things. So this is I think this is only for a business purpose, but the YouTube finally did it like the other websites. What are the websites like TikTok has a watermark in it, and Likey, and lots of other websites just having this type of watermark. So this is basically only for while you are downloading this. You have to download the short and then you will have to edit it. So if you just download it, and if you just download it, and you can be able to check, here you go. We're going to download in this, holy moly. So we're trying to download this. So it's already downloaded. So as you can see, there is no other as you can see, this is not even watermarked. So they will implement the update very soon, and it will be available from October, I guess. So this will be very soon. So if you share this video on other platforms, so you might receive an watermark under somewhere here. Like the other website like TikTok and Likey. So yeah, this was the thing, but this was more likely going to do by YouTube very sooner or later. This was must be done because lots of people are sharing the YouTube Shorts from other platforms. So people should know these are from YouTube. So yeah, that's all from today, guys. If you're new, make sure you stay with the channel, and see you all soon with another interesting video. So till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.